In this video, I am going to explain you how to crimp a LAN cable. For this, we need one crimping tool, one Lan Tester, and two RJ45 jugs we need. And also, we need one formula is there to crimp a LAN cable, 568A formula and 568B formula. In that particular formula only, we can able to crimp. Most of the LAN cables, it will be in 568B series only. For this, we need a color code. For this, we need a color code. The color code is white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, brown. Like that, one color code is there. Okay, that order only we need to arrange the cables one by one. First, I am going to take white orange and orange, then white green, blue, then white blue, and then green, and then white brown, and then brown. Like order wise only, we need to arrange the twisted cables. First, before that, we need to untwist all the cables, then we need to arrange it one by one. And one more thing I will tell you. In the diagram, we are mentioned two, 568A and 568B. If you need to trim 568A and 568B means one side 568A series you need to crimp and 568B another side you need to crimp. In that case, if you connected the two computers without a switch, you can use this formula, 568A one side and 568B. And if you are using only single cable, you are using through Wi-Fi router to your computer, you need to crimp both the sides 568B series only. Okay, without switch you are using means you need to crimp 568A and 568B. Two sides you need to crimp the different color code. Okay. Need to cut with the proper position and take on RJ45 and insert it. All the cables should be visible in the front side. Like that, you need to insert it and punch it. You need to insert it, the connector, and now we are going to crimp another end. Another end also I am crimping the 568B series only. In this video I am going to show you only two series, 568B and 568B only. Both the end we are crimping 568B series only. In this method you can use this cable to the Wi-Fi router to system, or or any 5 port or 8 port switches to computer. You can use this. Now we are going to test the cable through Lan Tester. Now you can able to check here 1 to 8 lights are working fine, but the thing is only the if the LAN cable is working means we need to check only 1, 2, 3 and 6 lights are working means you can able to use this.